Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. When it comes to modern laundry solutions, finding reliable appliances is key. The best top-load washer and dryer sets combine efficiency, capacity, and advanced features, making laundry faster, easier, and more convenient for every household.
After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Whirlpool WTW82127LW washer and WED82127LW dryer. The Whirlpool WTW82127LW washer, paired with the WED82127LW dryer, is a versatile laundry solution designed to simplify even the most demanding loads. One of its standout features is the 2-in-1 removable agitator, which allows you to customize any load according to fabric type, soil level, or personal preference. This design ensures thorough cleaning without the need to add detergent every time, saving both time and effort. With a 5.2 cubic foot capacity when using agitator and 5.3 cubic foot when using the impeller, this washer can handle large loads with ease, including bulky bedding or towels. The 360 degrees wash agitator option provides multiple wash motions to keep clothes in constant motion, ensuring deep cleaning while being gentle on fabrics. Stubborn stains are easily managed with the automatic pre-soak feature, eliminating the need for extra pre-treatment steps. Whirlpool's smart features include Wi-Fi connectivity and a mobile app for remote control and notifications, making it easier than ever to monitor your laundry from anywhere. The intuitive controls allow for quick creation of customized cycles with just a few touches, while the Easy View full-width, slow-close glass lid provides a modern, streamlined look and lets you check on your load without interrupting the wash. Overall, this Whirlpool set combines convenience, capacity, and technology, making it an excellent choice for households seeking efficiency, flexibility, and superior cleaning performance. Its combination of innovative features and practical design makes laundry less of a chore while ensuring clothes come out fresh and thoroughly cleaned every time.
Number 2. LG WT7900 HBA washer and DLE 7900 WE dryer set. The LG WT7900 HBA washer and DLE 7900 WE dryer set offers one of the largest capacities in top-load washers at 5.5 cubic feet, easily accommodating king-size bedding or multiple large loads. Its advanced steam cleaning system removes dirt, odors, stains, and wrinkles, providing professional-level care from home. With LG's cold wash technology, users save on energy without compromising cleaning performance, while 6-motion technology delivers 6 unique wash motions for thorough yet gentle cleaning tailored to different fabric types. The set's connectivity is enhanced through the LG ThinkQ app, which allows remote operation, cycle customization, and maintenance alerts, making laundry management more convenient than ever. LG reliability is further reinforced with a free extra-year warranty when purchased through the ThinkQ offer, giving peace of mind and added value. This washer and dryer combination is also energy efficient, exceeding federal standards in water and electricity usage. The intuitive design, high-capacity drum, and advanced washing motions work together to deliver superior cleaning results while simplifying the laundry process. Ideal for families or anyone with large loads, this LG set merges innovation, convenience, and durability, making it a top choice for modern homes looking to save time, energy, and effort without sacrificing cleaning quality.
Number 3. GE Profile PTW 800 BPWRS washer and PTD 80 EBPWRS dryer. The GE Profile PTW 800 BPWRS washer paired with the PTD 80 EBPWRS dryer is a feature-packed option that blends intelligence with efficiency. Its smarter wash technology adapts each cycle for optimal cleaning and fabric care, while Microban antimicrobial technology protects key components against odor-causing bacteria. The Smart Flex dispense system ensures that detergent, pods, and fabric softeners are released at the ideal time, enhancing cleaning performance and minimizing waste. The washer's Tangle Control feature intelligently adjusts wash motions to prevent tangling, keeping delicate garments safe. Together, this GE Profile set combines smart technology, superior fabric care, and connectivity for a modern laundry experience, making it ideal for tech-savvy users who want both performance and convenience. The integration of innovative features ensures clothes are cleaned thoroughly, cycles are tailored precisely to different fabric types, and everyday laundry becomes a smoother, more manageable task.
Number 4. Amana NTW 4516 FW washer and NED 4655 EW dryer. The Amana NTW 4516 FW washer and NED 4655 EW dryer provide an affordable yet reliable laundry solution. Designed with an HE agitator and efficient wash system, this set delivers a deep, thorough clean while remaining gentle on clothing. Additional features like the late lid lock give users flexibility to add forgotten items, and the extra rinse option provides more thorough rinsing for sensitive skin or heavily soiled fabrics. Together, this Amana set balances practicality, performance, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for households seeking a no-frills, effective laundry solution that handles everyday washing and drying with confidence. Its combination of durability, thoughtful features, and simplicity makes laundry more convenient without compromising quality.
Number 5. Maytag MVW 7230HW washer and MED 7230HW dryer. The Maytag MVW 7230HW washer paired with the MED 7230HW dryer is engineered for heavy-duty performance and long-lasting durability. Its washer features powerful cleaning cycles that tackle tough stains and maintain fabric integrity, while the dryer includes the extra power button, extending time, heat, and tumbling for optimal drying on any cycle. From heavy-duty cleaning to convenient smart features, the Maytag MVW 7230HW and MED 7230HW set delivers superior performance, reliability, and ease of use, making laundry faster, simpler, and more efficient. This set's combination of rugged construction, thoughtful features, and smart connectivity makes it a standout choice for families seeking a dependable, high-performance washer and dryer pair. Choosing the right top-load washer and dryer set can transform your laundry routine, making it faster, more efficient, and less stressful. From Whirlpool's versatile agitator system to Maytag's heavy-duty performance, these sets combine capacity, smart technology, and reliability. Whether you prioritize large loads, energy efficiency, or advanced cleaning features, one of these 5 top-performing sets is designed to meet your household needs perfectly.